Hey, so I'm Richard. I'm the co-founder of Nap.ai, and today I'm going to show you a short demo of a new product experiment we're launching called StackBench.ai. Over 90% of developers are using AI in their workflows, but we talked to about 50 developer-focused companies and kept hearing the same thing. Some said that coding agents use outdated versions, called deprecated functions, and got stuff wrong. Others said they didn't actually know how well coding agents use their libraries and APIs at all. Existing code generation benchmarks don't work because they evaluate models, not agents, most of the time, and focus on producing self-contained code snippets. Almost none focus on library-specific generation. This means that, given a task description and access to the contents of a library, the model should solve the task using methods from the library rather than writing everything from scratch itself. So we built StackBench. On StackBench, you can run a free audit of your library. First, you need to log in. Then you can enter a GitHub URL for the library that you want to test. Currently, we only support inputting docs from GitHub repositories. We're going to use DSPy today. We choose the programming language. You need to enter the subdirectory where the docs are located in the GitHub repo. If you want to analyze a subset of your docs, you can also enter a subdirectory for tutorials or how-to guides, for example. We need to add a secret. In this case, we're going to add an OpenAI API key. And then we can start the analysis. So first, what's going to happen is the app will clone the repo. It will find and extract the different usage examples. And we can see this being extracted up here. So in this case, we're extracting 10 different examples. We're searching 50 different docs. So once the use cases are extracted, it will generate tasks for each use case. We then give Claude Code access to the docs and ask to work on the task from scratch. We can check out the live results and look at the use cases and tasks that it has extracted. As many of you know, Claude Code is not super fast, and so this whole stage can take a while, about 30 minutes, but some first results will be available more quickly after, say, 10 minutes. In the meantime, feel free to close your laptop, go for a coffee, and we'll send you an email when the results are ready. Hey, so we're back. Let's see how well Claude Code did with DSPy. So it looks like a lot of these use cases were successful. We have one failed here. Looks like 1 out of 10 failed. So what we can do is we can click into this use case. It talks a little bit about the task. It gives a link to the source documentation where the task was created from. It gives some details about the specifications that we used, including the functional requirements, for example. It gives some insights into the results. So here, the agent discovered that dspy.assert and dspy.suggest are not available in the new version, but they're still in the docs. So that's interesting. So that's something that DSPy could use to improve their docs, for example. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Over time, we plan to expand to more coding agents, more library-specific generation tasks, more metrics. Let us know what you want to see us work on. So in terms of answering how well does Claude Code work on specific libraries, the answer is that we're not sure yet. We've been testing a few libraries and analyzing the results, but we decided it was better to ship fast, see who finds it useful, and hear from you about the shape the project should take. So go ahead, input your library, see what breaks, spot patterns, share results, and yeah, let us know how you get on. Thanks for listening and enjoy diving in.